we have been achieving couple of good results thanks to the Russian government initiative, and for example, like education system, and we have been involved of the school ICT projects, which is interactive and projectors, and we have been doing this almost 5 years. And after that, we have been working for university higher education sectors. Also, this is a big government, thanks to the Russian government initiative, so modernization of university. So this is our primary target. And recently, we made kind of like announcement for new projects, which is another ICT project. Panasonic is now promoting very unique technologies, the long big data long storage system based on optical disk, which is Blu-ray. And our solution name is Freeze-Ray. So using optical disk based on Blu-ray and big data and long-term archive, so-called cold archive. So we made a big investment into these technologies, and we are producing high-quality, reliable machines, but we need an application, we need a middleware. So looking for the Russian partners, and we met one Skolkovo startup company Ridex. And we agreed developing very unique solutions for Russian market for this big data long-term storage. In conjunction with the current solution, company Ridex solution, which is a hot archiving. We have been struggling from the low demand of consumer markets. So people not spending the money for buying consumer products. But B2B sectors, and we have been still keeping the growth, and some very specific areas such as like ICT solutions, for example, like a university, and also the document scanning solutions. So, so segment by segment and market by market, we keep the right focus, and we try to keep the minimum, the 5 to 7% growth. And of course, our ambitions, we really want to grow our business double digit market. We keep the right focus, and we try to keep the minimum, the 5 to 7% growth. And of course, our ambitions, we really want to grow our business double digit. Well, actually, because since we have been quite active, and also we are doing lots of projects at Skolkovo Foundation, and we really want I really want to expect more Japanese company coming over, and for example, like Skolkovo activities, and lots of kind of like the very interesting Russian startup, and lots of interesting ideas, and lots of kind of like very some specific kind of like elements such as software. For example, company Ridex. Right. I believe there are lots of opportunities for Japanese company. So generally, in terms of the Russia and Japan cooperation, I think we see lots of potential opportunities, and for the startup companies and small medium-sized business too. So this is I'm expecting, and we are taking kind of like initiative, and we try to keep this the front line positions. But we really have to be successful